Astronomical. This is a short tutorial on how to use your channel management over here on Teams. As you can see, there are several channels being made in this team. I'm added in 3 teams: grade 8th, grade 9th, and grade 10. Since I'm taking 2 subjects, computer science and physics, so I'll have to have these 2 channels to be listed in my dashboard. I don't want to have Park Studies Islamiyat since I won't be taking such classes. So what you're supposed to do is to click on the hidden channel, select any channel which is not visible over here, just select it. As you can see now, physics is available, so it's no more hidden. I'm going to pin this, right? Again, go to more options and pin it. Same I'm going to do for computer sciences, and again I'm going to open up other teams. Let's say for grade 8th, I'm going to select computer sciences. I'm going to pin it again, and again for physics. As you can see, I'm pinning all the subjects that I'm taking, and then I'm turning these, hiding these teams over here. As my channels are separately getting listed on the top, so this will save you from the hassle of going through different options again and again. So simply pin up your channels on the top. As you can see, I'm pinning the last 2 channels that I'm going to be taking for this academic session. There we go. Right, now it's done. All I need to do is to just hide my teams. Now all my channels, my required channels are visible. I don't need to go to see other channels or what other information is going in other channels. That will keep me away from the hassle of other channels. Right, now I can simply manage my channels in this sequence. Now for grade 8th, I'm going to add up files over here. If I wish to conduct my classes in this channel, I'm going to go to Files tab over here, right? And then I'm going to simply drop the files or create new folders and then drop in those folders, right? Let's say I'm going to make a new folder over here, which is going to be class slides, right? I want students to have those slides so that they can have a complete overview of what we had covered in the class, in case someone is having an internet issue, so they would have access to all the class resources, right? So over here, these are the 2 slides that I'm supposed to take classes for in the morning, right? So I'm going to go into my folder and drop it over here, right? Now these are getting uploaded. Once they're uploaded, they will be accessible to all the students which have recently added in these teams, right? So they will be able to access this by going to their computer science channel, right? Again, please make sure you're uploading files and everything in your specific channel. Do not upload your files in general tab. I highly suggest all teachers who are taking online classes to keep this in mind, that general channel is actually for sending notifications through Teams, right? You can notify them of any upcoming test in your channel, or for any specific subject, any specific RA you want to give. So whether you will be taking your classes or not, so you can leave any kind of news or information in the general channel, but you're not supposed to conduct your classes or upload your specific resources of your subject on that platform, right? General channel is for general information, to float information easily among students, right, and other teachers. So make sure you're only using your specific channel to upload your files. Now since these files are available over here, so once I'm going to go into meeting, I can simply locate these in my PowerPoint live segment, which I had recently covered early in the morning during the test meeting, right? I hope this was informative for you. Allah Hafiz.